Hello everyone, how to Tots back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your account in Kfriends application. So you can see I already download this or install it on my device. So go to Google Play Store or App Store, then download and install it, and after that simply tap on your application. And then you can see this is the home page of Kfriends. So what you need to do, you need to tap on a Google, you can see Google icon or the Facebook icon. You can create your account in two ways. So I'm simply tap on the Google icon, and after that you will see all the Gmail account. It's available on your connected on your Gmail app. So I'm going to see this, and after that you can see I already do this thing, and after that simply tap and full agreement. So they have some agreement. Once you tap full agreement, then all the mark will be checked, and tap on the agree and join, and simply tap on agree and join. And then is your country correct? So United States of America, you can't choose your country. So I'm simply tap on the yes, and then please select your language. Duplicate select is possible, so you can select which language you're talking. Some tap on the English, you can choose anything. And what is your language level? You can introduction, basic, intermediate, advanced, or proficient. You can tap on your level and simply tap on the confirm. And once it's done, then simply tap here on the next right top corner on your screen. Simply tap on the next, and you can see you can give your name here. So by default Gmail, I have created a name on my Gmail, so it's simply you can see. So after that you can set your profile picture, or you can do it later, and select bath. So you can I'm just simply tap confirm and select, and you can see you can select your gender, male or female. So tap on that and simply tap on the next. So there are unwritten entries. So okay, you have to, I'm just going to give my name here. So okay, just wait a second. You can give your real name and then tap on the install. So there are unwritten entries. It means you have to cannot be changed. Okay, so you have to give your profile picture. To simply tap on the profile picture, and you have to put all the information available here. So I'm just going to give randomly. Okay, I'm just give for a while. You can change profile picture later. So once all the things are available, then simply tap on the next button. So make sure that you have to upload your profile picture, your information like your name, your date of birth, and your gender, and simply tap on the next. The special character, numbers, and cannot be used. Okay, so I just nickname. Okay, I'm just got it, and next. Like date of birth and gender cannot be changed. So they say that you have to give the authentic information like your gender and birth. So if you is there any problem, then you can change it, and see very carefully. And then please select a keyword for interest. Like you have to choose which topics you like or you like to see. So you can like a Netflix, shopping. So you can give according to your interest. So I'm just going to give some choose hip hop dramas, and after that sports art, and then simply click on the next. Please set your preference. So you are what type of people you are. So you have to choose your preference like lots of loves and kind, talkative. I like a joke. You can tap okay, and then next. Please write a one-line introduction. Okay, please enter your details. So tap on that. I make videos, so you can give your bio here. You can change it later, and simply tap next, and invoice shall introduce you. So skip all and start. So you can skip or you can give your voice. This time I'm going to skip, and here we go. Now this is the interface. So okay friend, today's Snowman, thank you for watching.